Right, so there we have it. A small area of garden planted up with lupins, delphiniums, poppies, potassium, and there's something else in there and I'm not quite sure what they are. Those things, spiky purple things, and that has cost, what, how much were those plants altogether? Exclude, yeah, 35, 60, £70 worth of plants in there alone. And I've got that side to do, that bit to do, and my sunken garden down there. I'm going to get that done. Now, do you see those steps there? I don't like them. I don't know what to do there. I just told him to put me a couple of steps into there, but when I open the gate, the steps are at this side and I'm stepping down that side, so I need to bloody sort that out as well. I think what I'm going to do, but this is a job I can do myself, I'm going to extend it, so I've got one great big huge step at the bottom and then another great big huge step, and I might use those flagstones, and I've got a wasp on me. I might use a couple of those flagstones there, or I might lift one or two of these up and extend this bit of garden here. Don't know yet, but yeah, that's, oh, I've got my wisteria and my Montana plant to put in, but I don't know where I'm going to put them yet. Might put my wisteria down there. Oh, but then I've actually had another idea of planting it right at the front there and then letting it grow up along the wall, on the other side of the wall, and then along the fence. I think that might be nice, or I might have it there. Don't know yet, until I make up my mind. Right, I'm going to clear all this lot up, tidy up. Hi, welcome back. This is what I call my pre-dug grave. This is the bit that I fell in. It's a sunken garden. Well, it will be a sunken garden. I've just been laying out some flags in some kind of a design because it's got a horrible concrete path going along. I've had two steps put in, but I'm going to change those. I'm going to use the one at flagstones and cover them. I've just been laying these out roughly to get some kind of an idea of how I want them laid. I've got a massive hydrangea root in my way. Now I don't know whether to work round it or take it out altogether, but that's going to be a hard job getting that root out on my own. These flags are heavy enough as it is. But yeah, I've decided to turn my existing grave, my early grave, into a sunken garden. So this is the first stage of that. I've cleared it all out. This is the first stage. And I'm going to get on. I need to get those cemented in when I decide what I'm going to do over with the hydrangea, because I want to put a day bed there, and that hydrangea I think is going to be in the way, so I think I'm going to have to try and get it out. Oh God. Right. Wow. Totally gutted. I've just stood on that flagstone and broke it, and it was the only two out of the bigger ones that I've got. But as it's going underneath the daybed and it's kind of rustic and cottagey, I might have to see what I can do. I'll move that, I don't know. Move that one over, move that one up. Put two small ones in here now. I've got enough flags, I just need to make sure I've got enough for the steps. If I can remove that one, I'm going to leave the hydrangea in. I'm not going to attempt to take that up. So right, I'll go buy some sand and cement and get those put in. I wish I hadn't damn well stood on that. I'm gutted now. It's because they're uneven, the ground is on here. I'm just laying them out roughly. That one's really strong, that one must be thinner. Never mind, I'll go get my sand and cement.